Hello, and welcome to another update about FETCH.AI FET. So I don't want to talk about the larger time frame in this video. I just want to focus here on the smaller time frame, shorter time frames, because this chart is very interesting. We have, don't get me wrong, it's not a great chart overall, but we have seen a potential 5-wave move up from the April low. I have to say, though, it's a bit questionable because the 5th wave is very long, but it's not too long for an internal 5th wave. Pushing towards 69.7 cents, however, would mean that it is too long for a 5-wave move up, because then it starts to look more like this 3-wave move up as shown in yellow. Why is that? Because the initial move up from the 7th of April low to the 13th of April high is a 3-wave pattern. And then we would have a corrective pullback and another move up. And that gives me an ABC structure. Yeah, 3 waves up, not great. Would not, at least not clearly confirm that a substantial low has formed. But as long as the market forms a 5-wave move up, we can watch for a corrective pullback. But it's about to start. It's about time to start a corrective pullback now, because if it doesn't happen from here, then one more high will likely send it to 69.7 cents. Then we have a 3-wave move up. That opens a lot of doors to different interpretations. So I would say for now it's simply to watch. It's reached my target area. Yeah, it reached my target area. That is important. Now it's about taking a step back, understanding what level needs to break to the downside to indicate this white wave 2 has started. But taking a step back to understand and to recognize, okay, we have reached target. So question is now, is a pullback from here possible? Yeah, just now, because we are now in this key area. And this area has been calculated based on standard Fibonacci guidelines and Elliott wave guidelines rather. And all we're doing now is to watch the red line. Why do we watch that line? Because it is the first indication, if the price breaks below it, that a top of sorts could have formed. And that level is at, 1 second, that level is at around 55.5 cents, which means I need a decisive break below 55.5 cents to indicate that the wave 2 in white has started. And whether the white count is indeed playing out, which is the bullish scenario, or a more bearish scenario, it's important to understand that if any rally ends as a 3-wave move up, it would indicate more strongly that we'll get another low. I'm talking about a low below the April lows, yeah? Very, very important. So for now, it's a 5-wave move up, just as we speak. I said in the last video that I don't want the price to form a decisive break above the 78.6 extension at 63.4 cents, at least to keep the idea of a 5-wave move up alive. For now, it's respecting that wish, but we'll see. Support area is clearly defined, 39 cents to 51 cents. If we get a deeper pullback, this would be the area to watch. There is not enough action, price action from the top to say that we've actually started the pullback. That's the update about FET. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.